inquiry into the family court law system has been given the green light by the Prime Minister, Scott Morrison. It comes after lobbying from One Nation's Pauline Hanson, the Prime Minister branding the current system in the family court a bloody mess.
Pauline Hanson choking up.
I get upset and I get emotional for this because I know how many of you feel about this, that you've been begging for this.
After the government gave the green light to a parliamentary inquiry into the family court. The 12-month investigation will be chaired by former Social Services Minister Kevin Andrews, alongside the One Nation leader as deputy chair. It will hear from families affected by a system that Pauline Hanson believes to be biased against fathers.
Just imagine, over the weekend, while most of us are enjoying time with friends and family, an average of 6 men took their own lives. I'm sorry, but I can't live with that on my conscience.
The Prime Minister conceded to the Coalition Party Room the current system is a bloody mess and, quote, the reason to do a joint select committee is to be able to truly listen to the stories and evidence it can bring forward in a sensible, apartisan way. But domestic violence advocates want action now.
How many more women and children have to die in this system? And we're now going to wait another 12 months.
Michelle Dorrendale's daughter was murdered by her father during a family court-approved period.
It's very frustrating. Just the feeling is that we actually don't really matter.
LAMBIE is pleased the government won't pursue its previous plan to merge the family court, but remains hesitant about a review associated with One Nation.
This will largely be perceived as a win for Pauline Hanson, but fresh from her win on Tasmania's housing debt, JACQUI LAMBIE was keen to seize back the limelight, this time issuing an impassioned plea to the Morrison government to back pill testing.
Somebody is locked in a bubble up here and didn't have the bloody courage to vote for what will help keep our kids alive.
The Health Minister insists the government won't reconsider pill testing, slamming it as a dangerous idea.
For God's sakes, wake up. Put them at these festivals and make it happen.
Trudy McIntosh, Sky News, Canberra.